So we're going to call her mom.
Hi mom, I'm home with my friends. I was about to cook but nothing, there's nothing in here inside the ref.
Sorry, son. I hope you have to go today because I'm busy in work. But I did monitor in the TV. Just order from the
Okay mom, thanks. I will order.
oil. Hello, Jollibee Delivery here. What can I do for you, sir?
Morning. Can I have an order?
This is your order, sir.
One bucket of chicken with more rice. Two large fries and two butter corn.
Okay, sir. Your order is 1 bucket of chicken with 4 rice, 2 medium fries, 2 butter corn. By the way, sir, what is your drinks?
Three large coke. And can you upgrade it into Coke Float?
Okay, sir. Your order, all in all, is 545, sir. And by the way, sir, what is your street? This is your address.
194 Cisco Street, Computer Technology City.
Okay, sir. Just wait for 30 minutes. Wait for 30 minutes, sir.
30 minutes na magbili dyan.
The delivery man go to the address that the customer gave to them. Wait for the nan.
Morning sir, from Jollibee. Are you from yan? Yes, here's your order. Thank you po. There's no money. Oh. It's 1,000. Give the change. Give the change, sir. Are you sure? But you're poor.
That's all. Okay, let's see.